Alpha Anywhere is a Windows-based program, but that doesn't mean you can't run it on the Mac. In fact, many Alpha Anywhere developers prefer to work on Mac machines by using a program called Parallels, which allows you to install Windows and run it on your Mac side by side with the Mac's OS X operating system. In this video, we're going to show you how to set that up. To begin, you're going to need two things. First, you'll need a copy of Parallels, which you can purchase at Parallels.com. You'll also need a copy of Windows. In this example, we're going to use the 64-bit OEM Home Premium Edition of Windows 7. When you buy a Windows license, do choose a 64-bit edition. In this example, we're going to use an OEM version because it's less expensive. The only limitation of an OEM version is that the license cannot be transferred to another machine should you decide to decommission your computer. We happen to purchase our license at SoftwareKing.com, but there are many other vendors as well. Once you have downloaded or obtained disks for both Parallels and Windows, you can get started by installing Parallels. During the installation process, Parallels will ask you to register the software. Click the Register button and enter your name, email, and the password you would like to use. It will then ask you for a license key, which you should have received by email. You might also see a pop-up asking if you want to use Parallels Access, which allows you to control Parallels from a remote location, kind of like Go to My PC or Log Me In. You could do this if you want, but it's not necessary. Now, you'll also see a pop-up that allows you to create a new virtual machine, and the option you want to choose here is Install Windows or another OS from a DVD or image file. Parallels will then check for a Windows installation disk or a Windows installation disk image. In our tests, Parallels was able to find either one automatically, but there is a Locate Manually button available should Parallels not find it when you try to perform your installation. Click on the operating system that it found to choose it, and then enter your Windows product key. From here on, almost all of the setup is handled automatically, during which time you can continue to use your Mac. Towards the end of the process, you'll be asked to select your network location, whether it's a home network, work network, or public network. Choose the option that best describes your situation. When it's finished installing, just choose Parallels from the dock, or if it's not there, do a spotlight search for Parallels to run it. A control panel will appear showing you the virtual Windows machine you created. Just click on the power button to start it up. And that's it. You're now ready to install and run Alpha Anywhere or any other Windows program.